Hey guys, Dean here again. So today we're going to be back for the 5 winning products of June. There's a brand new month, so that means there's 5 brand new products I'm going to show you for Shopify Dropshipping for this specific month. So we're starting off on this list with this product here. So this is a glowing car coaster. Now the reason I like this product is it's got that wow factor. You can see it's got some really nice LED lights, and this is to be placed, I believe, in the drink cup holders of your car, and it illuminates under it. So it's got that unique look. This is not a frequently seen product, so you can definitely tap into that. And I like this because it's good enough to close that impulse buy, because it's just something which is different to what we've typically seen, and it comes in 7 different colors. And since these things are mini discs, they'll be extremely easy to sell, lightweight to ship, and just generally good margins on it. Now you can probably find a better listing that is a little bit cheaper because these are quite expensive to buy, but for the most part you can buy them in different packs of different amounts, and you can also move them into different colors. So this product particularly, in my opinion, would be really great for organic TikTok because it has that viral factor. You could definitely play with the different types of videos with this one. So this is great for TikTok organic. It solves a problem because it's glow in the dark, so when you're driving at night it's like a super cool vibe to have these in your car. It's really cool to drive with your friends or your partner with these, so I think a lot of people would really like to buy them. So there's a lot of leg room in terms of the marketing you can do with this product, and there's quite a lot of other listings selling these too. This one's £6, so it's a little bit cheaper. So just look around. I'm also going to show you the ad that people are playing. So this ad has 2k plays. I'm not going to play the music for copyright, but this looks super cool, right? They're putting in the bottles on top, and if you use a clear drink bottle, it's going to make the drink bottle have that same vibe, so it's going to light it up, okay, with the LED lights. So just a super cool product. This is an example of a product store which was selling it. I haven't been able to find the product on their current store. I don't know if they're testing some other products right now, but this is just like a general store. It's a niche store because it's typically in the car accessories niche, but they do have some homeware as well, so it's kind of like a general store. I don't know how much profits they're selling, but they seem to get a little bit of traffic because it's having some pop-ups that people are buying stuff. So this is kind of a store that you can match and mirror if you want to sell different things. Like you could just make a car accessory store around that niche and sell these different products, and you've got some ideas of other products here to sell along with these coasters too. So this next one is a wireless magnetic charger. Now I don't have a store as an example for you in this particular one that's selling it, but I'm going to explain the product. So this is unique, okay? It's very useful because it solves a very clear problem, people needing to charge the phone on the go. So it's a portable charger, which is really cool. As you can see, it's a little bit more expensive than some of the other products, but it's got some great reviews, sold a lot of units, which adds for some social proofing onto this product to show it's pretty good. And this is portable, so you can move this around with you. It's a very small white or black power pack that you can take anywhere, like in your bag or your handbag if you're a woman. It's lightweight, it has a really cool, sleek, modernistic design, which is kind of cool. And this is good for TikTok organic. The reason being is I'm going to show you this ad right here. This is TikTok organic. This is a UGC creator who's created this video, so this is original content. So you could use influencer marketing with something like a wireless charger, and it does that extremely efficiently. This is a magnetic charger, and it just magnetizes straight into the power bank slot. Really cool. You can put it in your bag, you can snap it onto different devices, like I believe this is an iPad. So this is a little bit cooler than the actual AliExpress product I showed you. This is the product that I'd recommend selling because it has more of a wow factor, and you can use influencers to push it. Next up is this product. So this is a mini thermal printer, and I think this is super cool. As you can see, we do have a few different variants. So these are like different emoji faces on the front of it, a different number of stickers and colored paper that you can sell as refills, which I'm going to move on to in a moment. So this is a small compact design product. This is very lightweight, which is pretty cool. It has that wow factor, it's very unique. I'm going to show you the ad in a moment so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I just want to show you some images. This taps into the female demographic, okay? So if we just take a look at this, maybe female students or women who are into crafts would really love this. It's like a kind of cool thing for, like, I guess girls in school or students to carry this around with them. It's kind of like a cool gadget to show off to your friends, so I think you can market this really well. And it's also a multi-gender product as well. I guess you could also sell these to guys depending on like the emojis on it and stuff, but this makes stickers, okay? Now the reason why I think this is cool, you've got the instructions here as well, so you can add the guides on how to use it on your website. But the reason why I think this is cool is because you need certain colored paper and refills and different accessories to get this to work, so you could split them and sell them in a bundle or sell them as refill packs, and then you're creating that potential repeat customer who are coming back to your store to make multiple purchases, which is always going to make more profit rather than people who are just coming, buying one thing and then leaving, and then you've always got to get a new customer instead of an old customer on a repeat. So that's what you can do with this. Let me just show you the ad for it. Yeah, again, this is a TikTok organic ad, so you can play with like the text to speech, the sound effects, make some cool stuff. You could send send this to influencers, but I think these types of organic videos where you just show the product as a demonstration is going to work extremely well. And this particular one is fast, quick and simple, goes straight to the point, and it's got 17,000 plays, so that's quite a decent amount of views, right? So this next product is like a generic example product, but what I want to talk to you about is these shoes. Now, I wouldn't recommend dropshipping these whatsoever if you want like really high margins and you're just going for those seasonal winning products. But if you want to create a real brand, this might be a good product to actually sell, which is why I've included it on this list. Now, these look quite stylish, so you'd get kind of like the impression that they were sports shoes or trainers, but they're actually for outdoors activity, and they're mainly for like work and security boots because they're actually lightweight steel toe capped shoes. So that means if you drop something on them, they will protect your foot. Also, they're designed where if you step on nails, they'll also prevent you from getting injured as well, which is pretty cool. So you can do some great marketing with that. Now, these are good for Facebook ads. The only downside for this product, right, is it's not really great for drop shipping. But if you want to create a private label brand, or if you just want to drop ship to test it out first, this would be a good product. That's because it's heavy, so it's going to be a little bit heavier to ship than your typical lightweight, tacky drop shipping products. It also has the safety niche, which isn't typically great to drop ship because you need to be prepared to test the product first to make sure it lives up to what you're saying. But it is a unique product, it's very stylish, and it's kind of a gap in the market because you're marketing it to sports and outdoors lovers and people who are working on the job, like workmen, like builders, who don't want to get injured. So it can kind of appeal to different markets because it's actually more stylish than just like a big boot or a Timberland, okay? This is good for organic marketing because of that, but I'm going to show you this Facebook ad. So they're showing like dropping bricks on it, hammering bricks, stepping on physical nails, and the person not getting hurt, a tire going over the boot, pretty crazy stuff, and just generally being comfortable walking over every different surface. So it shows dropping like steel beams on your foot, so that could obviously appeal to people. It's got good sweat-proof designs, things like that. It's a really cool, impactful ad which works, and that's a Facebook ad, okay? So you can play with that. This did have 13,000 likes, 7,000 comments, and 7,000 shares, so there is obviously proof in the pudding there. And the last product I'm going to be showing you, the fifth and final product in this video, is this electric ear cleaner. So this is a pretty cool product. I'm going to show you the video in a minute. I'm going to talk about the pros of the product and why it's good. So first of all, this replaces earwax cleaners in terms of like cotton buds, so people aren't shoving cotton buds down the ear and getting earwax lodged in the ear canal and getting an infection, which most people do because cotton buds are not good for clearing earwax. It's safer, it prevents that wax buildup from pushing it down from using cotton buds, and it's a lightweight, small, easy to ship product which you can have fairly decent margins on depending on your price. And it's also good for viral videos and ads. So I'm going to show you the typical AliExpress tacky video that they show you, and then I'm going to show you a real TikTok ad. So this is the kind of tacky professional video, which does actually have some really nice motion graphics in it. So you could reuse some of these, but be careful because this is obviously an Asian video, so I don't know if they're using copyright stuff. They've got some good pictures that we can look through. I'm just going to quickly show you the ad and then I'll show you an example store. So this is a TikTok ad, okay? Now this is a TikTok ad. This isn't an organic video, but you can see they're showing the product actually being used, which kind of looks disgusting. But if you've been on TikTok, you'll be aware that loads of people watch those like pimple popping videos and hair removal videos. As rancid as they are, people actually somehow get like a weird enjoyment from watching them. I don't really understand that, although I have been down the rabbit hole and kind of found myself in that addictive like loop of watching them, so I guess I kind of understand it. Here's the store. So supercleanstore.com, this is our example store for this fifth and final product. As you can see, this is an example of their layout. As you can see, clean your ears and watch it all on your phone. So it's actually got like a camera inside the cleaner to watch it in real time on your phone, which I think is cool. I don't know why people would want to watch that, but I guess it also shows if your ear's clean or not. So I kind of like that. Although I don't think I'd be shoving something with like a camera or sensor in my ear because I don't really think that's very safe, but each to their own. But as you can see, this is actually a darn cool product if I say so myself. And it comes, I believe, in black and white colors. And even though it's like a cheap product, I feel like this could actually sell because it looks fairly clean and professional. So we've got two colors. There's a built-in rechargeable battery which lasts for hours, multiple silicone cleaning tips, LED light for clear visibility and maneuvering, and a HD camera which connects to iOS and Android devices. So I really like this product. They've made it quite cheap as well. I reckon you could probably sell it for like $29.99, $34.99. Experiment with the prices dependent on your margins and how much your ads cost, but I think this is definitely a winner. So that's the end of this video this week, guys. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for monthly winning products videos for Shopify dropshipping. We get straight to the point here. We research products. We don't just copy and paste like all the other channels, and we're getting straight to the details. So if you want some sauce, make sure to stop by the channel and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I'll catch you real soon.